In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a Google Meet session and utilize some of its outstanding features. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to capture your meetings seamlessly, whether they're for business presentations, lessons, or casual virtual hangouts with friends and family. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to navigate over to Google Meet. You can easily do this by opening your browser and entering meetgoogle.com. This will bring up the main landing page for Google Meet, where you'll see options to start or join meetings. It's incredibly user-friendly and it's where all the magic starts. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, you'll want to click on the New Meeting button. This is typically found near the top of the page and initiates the process of setting up your Google Meet session. Clicking this button opens a few options for starting a meeting on Google Meet, but for our purposes we're going to focus on just one quick method. After hitting the New Meeting option, go ahead and click on Start an Instant Meeting. This is the fastest way to create a new meeting, especially if you're looking to dive straight into your discussion or session without having to set up a schedule or send out invites in advance. Once you click this, your meeting will start instantly and you'll see your video feed appear on the screen. With your meeting now launched, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Google Meet interface. On the bottom right portion of your screen, you'll notice a small icon featuring 3 dots arranged vertically. Click on this icon to reveal additional options. This is your gateway to some of the more advanced features and settings available in Google Meet. After you click on the 3-dot icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll select Manage Recording. This is the part where you begin setting up the actual recording of your meeting. Managing your recordings is an important utility, particularly if you plan on revisiting this meeting content or sharing it with others later. Once you've selected Manage Recording, the last and arguably the most crucial step is to click Start Recording. Once you do this, Google Meet will begin recording everything that transpires in the session, capturing both audio and video. Remember to inform all participants that the meeting is being recorded. This is important not only from an etiquette standpoint, but also to comply with any necessary privacy regulations. And there you have it. You're now well equipped to record any meeting on Google Meet. This functionality ensures that you won't miss a beat, and you can keep a record of all the important information shared. Whether you need to go back and review a discussion or share it with those who couldn't attend, these steps will have you covered. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.